In this tutorial, I'll show you how to auto-generate captions for your videos using Camtasia Audiate. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. Now, Camtasia Audiate is a product of TechSmith and it does come out as a standalone application and also an application that you can use in conjunction with Camtasia. That is to edit videos by editing text, generate scripts, generate avatars, and generate voiceovers. It's a really handy application and you can always check it out from the link in the description below. Now, for this video, I want to show you how to use it to auto-generate subtitles. Now, I do have some of my thoughts and I'll actually throw them in the video so that if the folks at Camtasia are watching, they can maybe implement some of the things that I mentioned. Now, I'm just going to open Camtasia Audiate, and once I open it up, there we go. That's the interface. I can just bring it up a little bit, maximize it to feel the whole thing. So this is the interface. You can generate a script, audio, or avatar. You can start recording. You can also import a file, do a ton of things. I'm going to import a file and select just a short file and then click on open. It's going to prompt me what option of the import I want. I just go to import as one scene and then click on import. It's going to import. Transcription is missing, and the reason why it's missing is because you need to have this enabled for it to actually automatically transcribe. But if it says transcription missing, I'll just click on transcribe and it's going to pull up what options it has, that is transcribing audio to English US. Then you're going to see how long it's going to take, and then you're going to see that in real time. Now, it's done with the transcription and I can just play it. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the script's eye contact feature to simulate eye contact with the camera even when you're reading from a script. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. Now, it's done a really good job. There are no many edits to do, or actually there is more or less zero edits to do on this particular transcript. But let's assume you had an issue or maybe you wanted to make an edit. You can just come here, select that section, and then there are three options that come in: silence selection, enter scripting mode, that is to edit, and then we've got the waveform right there to show the waveform down here. So let's click on enter scripting mode, and then let's say we add just a dash between eye contact, and then click on done scripting. So that's how everything looks. You can also click on this waveform to get out of that. Now we're done with that, and that's an assumption. Now we want to export our subtitles or captions. Now I'll go to File, Export, Script, and by default you'll get save as type text depending on what you used last. But if I click on this drop down, there is SRT Subtitles right there. Now I'm going to call it Audiate SRT, but here's where I throw in my thoughts. I wish we had a better kind of interface to kind of indicate how many characters we need per line, how many lines we need per subtitle block, and so on and so forth. So that is something I can challenge the folks at TechSmith to do, to add a feature where we can actually set how many lines we need per caption block, how many characters per line. That would be something that is actually going to be of importance to us. Now I'll click on save, script exported, click OK. If I navigate to the folder, we've got Audiate SRT. I'll just double click on it. It's going to open up in a text editing application, that is Notepad right here. And if I actually minimize this, and you'll see it right here. And the reason why I was mentioning a way to kind of divide this up into logical sections is because if I actually put this inside subtitle edit right here, let's say I just kind of drag and drop it right here, you see it's going to actually give me all these issues right here. So you may need to split line, you may need to unbreak this, you may need to unbreak or auto BR, that is auto break, you may need to auto BR and then split line. So when you have shorter sentences, they do make logical sense and are not stressing on anyone who is reading the captions that you're actually creating. So the team at Camtasia, the team at Camtasia Audiate, TechSmith, kindly look into that. But rather, if you want to generate captions for your videos using Camtasia Audiate, the standalone version, it's super simple. Import, have Camtasia Audiate transcribe your video into text, and then make your edits and then export as a subtitle SRT file. That's it for this video. I hope it's of value to you. Thanks for watching.